What's up everyone, welcome back to another episode of Homebuilt, and just a quick one before we get the video started. 53% of you guys watching this video aren't subscribed, so if you could just hit the subscribe button, we really appreciate it, it helps the channel grow. So, in this video, we've had to change of plan.
So the original plan for this video was to have the wide arches done. We started on the front, got that fitted, looked great. We moved on to the back. As you can see, we've still got the test wheel in here. We've cut it out to give us the clearance we need. We test fitted the wide arch and decided we didn't like it. It was just too wide. So this car's going to end up with two sets of front wide arches.
So while we wait for the arches to come for the Lupo, we're going to jump on the Alfa and get some jobs done that have been on our list for a while.
Today we're going to fit a oil catch can. So the purpose of your oil catch can, on your modern engines you've got a crankcase breather. That breather pipe comes down into your intake pipe, which means you're getting oil vapour coming through your intake system, which gives you a dirtier burn and causes carbon build-up. The oil catch can's going to sit here, your breather pipe's going to go directly into that, taking away that oil vapour going through your inlet system. It's going to give your engine a much cleaner burn, it's going to improve performance, and it's going to reduce the carbon build-up in your engine.
So like my dad said, the oil catch can's going to go right here because there's plenty of space for it and the breather's right here. So let's start by making a mounting bracket. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a cardboard template so we can get the shape of the bracket perfect and we don't waste any metal. So now that Dad's made the bracket, we can now test fit it. Look at this. My dad's been an idiot. He's not even drilled the hole big enough to accommodate the shank on the bolt. This is why you always test fit stuff before you paint it. There we go, that's better. If you want something done properly, you gotta do it yourself. Now we've test fitted it, we're happy with it, and now we can take it off again and get it painted. painted, it's dry, time to fit it.
So that's us ready to install it, the brackets on. There's a few different ways you can do an oil catch can. I've put a drain tap on the bottom so that we don't have to keep taking it on and off. What you can also do is you can have the breather pipe coming in one side and then out the other side back into your intake system. I've decided to vent the atmosphere for this one, so we've got a new intake coming for this. So I've got a blanking piece at the moment. I'm going to blank this off. We'll fit the catch can, bit of silicone hose and a new filter for the breather. So that's it finished. It doesn't look too out of place and we're going to get loads of benefits out of that. Unfortunately, that's it for this video. So thanks for watching and thanks to everybody who's subscribed. Up until now though, 50% of the people watching our videos still aren't subscribed. It's free and it really helps the channel, it really helps us grow. So hit that subscribe button, make sure your notification bell's on to keep up with all our content, and thank you again. We'll see you on the next one.